John boy, can you go down the sliding board? Huh? What?
Hi! What are you yelling about? I'm bringing you some more toys. Here's your block. Here are your blocks. Oh, look at what happened here, John. Your little drumstick got out on the other side of the fence. You probably want to get out, don't you? Freedom! Freedom! What's this? Hey, you want to come see who's over here? You want to come see who's over here?
Baby, a cuddle. Yeah. Where's your baby sister? Where's your baby sister? Look, John. Look at Mommy. What does Mommy have there?
Here's the baby.
You want to give her a cuddle?
Here's the baby. Would you rather play with your ball?
You want to show the ball to the baby?
Here's Anna. Oh, yeah. Look. Here's Anna. Isn't she cute? Oh, you're going to cuddle Mama and Anna. Thank you, John. You want to cuddle just Anna? Oh, what a good cuddler. Oh, wait, let's get her head. Thank you, John. Yeah, those are flowers. Those are flowers. Anna, your brother just gave you a big cuddle. He just gave you a big cuddle. Yeah.
John, where's your sister? Where's the baby? Oh, are you going to go to see Grandpa? Can you go down the slide? John boy, can you go down your sliding board? Huh? Can you go down your sliding board?
That's a good story you're telling.
Hi, Anna.
Yes.
Are you going to talk?
Mama.
Hi, sweetie pie.
Big smile. Come on. Big smile. Come on, big smile. Ha ha ha.
Can you talk to Daddy? Talk. Huh? Can you give me a big smile? Oh, what a pretty girl. And what a tutor you are, too. Yeah, you had some morning tutors. Yeah. You're pretty bright. You gonna talk?
Come on. That's right. Come on, talk some more. Talk some more.
Are you talking to Grandma?
Come on.
Are
Talk some
you talking
more.
to your grandma? You sweetie pie.
You talking? You talking? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There's some talking going here. Let's get some talking going here. Mama, you know she never performs when you want her to. Nobody performs when you want them to, huh? No. Nobody performs when you... Yes, of course. Yeah, well, come on. us a story. Tell us a story. Can't you tell us a story? Yeah. Oh, such a big yawn. Such a big yawn. Of course. Yes. Yeah, you found it. There you found your voice. Yeah, you found your voice. You sure did. Yeah. You sure found your voice this time. Got some more? Huh? Got some more talking to do? Okay. Well, come on. There's Grandpa. There's your Grandpa, too.
Hi.
Yeah. Can you talk to your Grandpa? Can you talk to your Grandpa? You getting that, Carol?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Yes.
Anna, can you talk to Mama?
Is that thing in the way?
Can you tell Mama a story, Anna?
Oh, there's your mom. There's mom.
What a pretty voice.
Yes.
What a...
That's something. Yeah.
Yeah, it sure is something.
2 months old.
It sure is something.
What a good talker you are.
That sure is something.
Can't really hear that well. Let's move up.
What's the matter?